In this video, we will discuss how blood flow occurs in case of in artery and what is the region of heart attack. We can explain flow of blood in artery using Bernoulli's principle. According to Bernoulli's principle, when velocity increases, pressure decreases and vice versa. If you have a horizontal pipe, then when velocity of fluid inside the pipe or tube increases, the pressure decreases, and when pressure increases, velocity decreases, like this. So you see, this is a artery. This is the artery of, let us say, human being, and the blood flow with velocity v1 and pressure of blood inside the artery, let us say P1. What happens in artery? The artery may get constricted due to accumulation of plaque on its inner wall. In the inner wall of the artery, sometimes plaques are deposited. These are the plaques in the artery. So the artery get constricted due to the accumulation of plaque on the inner wall, as a result of which velocity of blood, that is here it is V2, at this constriction becomes more. That means at this constriction velocity of the blood becomes more as compared to V1. So applying Bernoulli's principle, the pressure inside the artery wall decreases. Inside this artery wall, the inner pressure decreases because the velocity of blood increases. So what will happen? When the pressure inside the artery wall decreases, the pressure, that is the outside pressure, will collapse the artery. The outside, the artery will get more pressure from outside, so the artery will collapse due to outside pressure. In order to drive the blood through this constriction, a greater demand is placed on the activity of heart. That means the heart will beat more. There will be more beating of the heart. So the heart pumps blood through this constriction with more speed, as a result of which the internal pressure inside the artery further decreases. So more external pressure acts on the artery wall and there may be heart attack. So this is the region of the heart attack, one region of the heart attack, due to the flow of blood, that means the increase of velocity of the blood at the constriction where you have plaque. Where you have plaque. So in the plaque region, since the velocity of the blood increases, the pressure decreases, and the decrease in pressure helps the artery to collapse, causing heart attack.